Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Maddie Vergara, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. For today's video guys, i-discuss natin ang Triton Athlete 2024 and ano ang pinagkaiba niya sa other Triton. So let's go! So guys, ito ang steering wheel ni Triton Athlete. Kung makikita nyo, leather wrap na siya, while sa other Triton, which is si GL 4x4 manual and GL 4x2 manual, is urethane. So kung makikita nyo guys, sa steering wheel, naka-mounted audio control, and of course, naka-cruise control na rin siya. So equipped na si Triton. So while the other Triton, which is si 4x4 GL and 4x2 GL manual, is hindi pa. And sa steering column adjustment guys, naka-tilt and telescopic na siya. And yun guys, si GL 4x4 and GL 4x2 is tilt lamang po. So meron tayo ditong 9-inch touchscreen screen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For other Triton natin, with 8-inch touchscreen display na siya. So sa iba naman, integrated audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth with hands-free technology. Sa air condition system naman natin guys, naka-dual zone automatic na tayo, while sa other is single zone automatic, and of course, meron din tayong manual. So dito naman tayo sa transmission with 6-speed automatic and 6-speed manual. And since Triton Athlete ito, meron na tayong Super Select 4-wheel drive, and of course, equipped na rin siya ng rear differential lock and drive mode. So meron tayong 7 drive modes. And ito naman ang manual handbrake and of course, the center console. And for safety naman tayo guys, of course, meron tayong airbags. So equipped tayo sa driver's side and of course sa passenger side, which is with manual cut-off switch. And equipped lang man po sa side and curtain for Triton. So sa driver's knee, equipped tayo sa lahat ng Triton natin. Ayan guys, kung makikita ninyo, dalawa ang glove box ni Triton. So ayan, sobrang spacious at maraming malalagay. So, for Triton, meron tayong rear circulator, air conditioning. So, sa other Triton, guys, wala po tayo nito. So, kay Triton 4x4 Athlete lang po, meron ito.